what's going on? Today is Sunday, June 30, and uh, this video is update for our um, episode 2 of our web development journey. And today's update is we added another field set. The legend is uh, acts as the caption for the content in the field set. So this is just like a caption. And are you a One Piece fan or not? And then there's an input element, and have a check type art attribute checkbox. A checkbox, three. A type is checkbox and have three options. This one is One Piece fan, the next one is not One Piece fan, and the third one is not sure. We can see that in the output here. This is the first field set. Sa first episode na to, nakita ni. And the second one is this. Are you a One Piece fan? You can. This is the checkbox. One Piece fan, not One Piece fan, and not sure. You can also check it with multiple check in it. Uh, for this uh, attribute, it will for this checkbox, it will automatically have a check for this checkbox. As you can see, na siya check daan. Pag-call pa na ito, na siya check na pareha sa daan ni ganing sa radio type nga input na naka-default niya, naka-check, nakakuha niya, naka-select family or not family. But the same it's the same for the checkbox. And then this is the close for the field set. So we have another input, a text, placeholder. You can see it here. I think it's included in the first episode. Nanan siya pagkatong first episode nato. Nanay submit button. And then we also added a footer. Any footer. You can see the footer below our web page. This one, that's our footer with a link. I tried to put the link of my LinkedIn account, but it will cause error. So if you click this link, if you will go to the website directly. That's the LinkedIn website. So I don't know kung ang ibutang nako kay ang katong akong account kay error siya, di siya mo sa link. Di ko ba nag-search ko lang. And also added a head element. Head. The head contain so the head kay naadira ang title, my first HTML. So kaning title mao ni siya ang this is shows in the title bar or the tab for the page. Mao ni siya day. Makita na siya nga kini. My first HTML pura gyud pangandid sa iyang google.com Google na yan for and then next is we added a head element, title element, and then language for the HTML. We included a language attribute para kuha niya nga English ni siya nga language basa sa atong program sa atong HTML. And then ito pa doctype HTML. Doctype kani this one, doctype HTML. Doctype HTML tells the browser that the document is an HTML5 document which is the latest version of HTML. And this is it. This is my first HTML website na ba ni? Naa siya header, ay mga picture, naa siya list, unordered o ordered list, and then naa siya picture nga pwede link. There is a field set with a radio button and a checkbox button, and also a text input and submit button, a footer. That's all. And our next episode, for the episode 3, we will make a CSS. We will use CSS na. And hope you like this, and comment your suggestion kung sa inyong ikasulti sa what can you say about this. Please, I appreciate that you will comment in my post, and see you in the next episode. Love you guys. Peace.